Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Discord ID. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Discord application on my computer. And then if I want to get the Discord ID, we need to activate developer mode on our Discord. You can go to your settings and then you're going to scroll down until you find advanced setting. This one, and here you'll be able to activate the developer mode on Discord. I'm going to click on this toggle button to activate it, and then I'm going to close it, and I'm going to go to one of my server on my Discord. You can open up your own server, or you can open up the server you have joined on Discord. And I'm going to go to the server, and we can click on our profile picture like this and click on your profile picture again, and you can click on these three dots. Then here you'll be able to get your ID. You can copy user ID like this and you can paste it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get a Discord ID. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.